case fans maintain airflow, prevent overheating, improve component lifespan, and ensure stable performance during heavy workloads and gaming sessions. Today's video is about top 5 best case fans for PC airflow that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Sudokoo High-Speed Computer Case Fan. Sudokoo MACH120 PC cooling fan delivers outstanding extreme cooling performance for high-end gaming and workstation builds. Equipped with a 3-phase, 10-pole, 12-slot FOSI closed-loop control motor, it achieves impressive PWM control from 500 to 3000 revolutions per minute plus or minus 10%, generating strong 108 CFM airflow and 7.31 mmAQ air pressure. This ensures excellent heat dissipation even under heavy loads. The LCP thermal blades reinforced with 40% glass fiber offer superior durability, resisting deformation at high speeds and maintaining structural stability. Combined with Japan Porite hybrid hydraulic bearing technology, the fan operates quietly while ensuring long-lasting performance backed by a 6-year warranty. A transparent motor window with switchable white LEDs adds a premium aesthetic touch, showcasing its precision engineering. Additionally, customizable 3D printable side panels allow users to personalize their build, making it ideal for PC enthusiasts who value both performance and style. Overall, the MACH120 stands out as a premium cooling solution that blends powerful airflow, quiet operation, durability, and customization options for demanding PC builders and enthusiasts alike today in builds market. Now our second product is Be Quiet High-Speed Case Fan. The Pure Wings 3 fan delivers a well-balanced combination of performance, durability, and quiet operation, making it a strong choice for modern PC cooling setups. Its optimized frame is specifically engineered for radiator use, ensuring efficient airflow direction and improved heat dissipation under load. The 7 specially designed airflow-optimized fan blades help reduce turbulence and noise while maintaining stable cooling performance, even in demanding gaming or workstation configurations. One of its standout strengths is its quiet operation. Thanks to its ability to run at very low minimum RPM, the fan remains nearly silent during light workloads, making it ideal for users who prioritize a noise-free environment. Despite its quiet nature, it does not compromise on cooling efficiency. Durability is another key highlight. The long-life rifle bearing design offers an impressive operational lifespan of up to 80,000 hours, ensuring long-term reliability and reduced maintenance. Backed by German design, engineering, quality, and performance standards, the Pure Wings 3 stands out as a dependable and efficient cooling solution for any PC build. Our third product is SilverStone Technology Air Slimmer Fan. This 15.6mm slim fan is a great cooling solution for space-limited PC builds where clearance is a major concern. Its ultra-thin design allows it to fit easily into compact cases without sacrificing essential cooling performance, making it ideal for mini-ITX systems and tight radiator setups. The unique 9-scimitar style fan blade design is engineered for strong air pressure, helping to push air efficiently through radiators and heatsinks. This results in faster heat dissipation, which is especially beneficial during gaming sessions or heavy workloads where temperatures can rise quickly. With a speed range of 0 to 1800 revolutions per minute, the fan offers a good balance between performance and noise control. It delivers up to 63.7 CFM airflow while maintaining a relatively low noise level of just 31.7 dBA, ensuring efficient yet quiet operation. The all-copper fluid dynamic bearing, FDB, further enhances durability and smooth performance, significantly extending the fan's lifespan. Overall, this slim fan is a reliable and efficient choice for compact builds requiring strong cooling in a limited space. Now number 4, Darkrock Black Computer Case Fans. This 120mm case fan offers a solid balance of cooling performance, quiet operation, and easy installation, making it a practical choice for everyday PC builds. Featuring a 9-blade design, it delivers efficient airflow with a maximum speed of 1,200 revolutions per minute, providing reliable cooling for your system through a standard 3-pin motherboard connection. One of its key advantages is its low noise operation. Equipped with 4 soft silicone cushions, the fan effectively reduces vibration at high speeds, keeping noise levels down to a maximum of just 32.1 dBA. This makes it suitable for users who prefer a quieter working or gaming environment. The hydraulic bearing design enhances stability, reduces friction, and extends the fan's lifespan to an average of 30,000 hours, ensuring long-term dependable performance. Installation is simple thanks to its standard 120mm size, making it compatible with most PC cases even for beginners. Built with durable PBT material, it also offers strong insulation and heat resistance. Overall, this fan is a reliable, budget-friendly cooling solution for stable and quiet system performance. And our last choice is Pano-Mounts Cooling Exhaust Fan. This 12V 120mm IP44 rated fan is a versatile and powerful cooling solution designed for both DIY projects and demanding environments. Its moisture-proof construction makes it especially suitable for humid conditions such as greenhouses, RV systems, and other moisture-prone setups, ensuring stable long-term operation without performance loss. Delivering strong cooling performance, the fan reaches up to 3,000 revolutions per minute with an impressive airflow of 88 CFM, effectively dissipating heat from electronic and industrial equipment. Despite its high speed, it maintains relatively controlled noise levels at around 47 dBA, balancing performance and usability. Installation is simple and user-friendly thanks to the 2-wire 3-pin connector system, supporting a wide voltage range of 7V to 13.2V. This makes it highly adaptable for various DIY cooling and refrigeration projects without complex wiring. The hydraulic bearing design reduces friction, enhances durability, and ensures smooth, quiet operation over extended use. With a dual fan package included, it offers excellent value and flexibility for multiple cooling applications. Overall, this is a reliable and efficient cooling fan built for tough and diverse environments. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.